So welcome to the object session. Based on the formulas in the total internal reflection and the angle between the relation between the critical angle and the refractive indices, there are certain problems available in your MTG, which is a book issued to you for the objective purpose. In that, from question number 41 to question number 51, the questions are purely based on the current session, which I have discussed, total internal reflection now. Among, I'll discuss some questions and which are given as homework. You please try to solve it. If any doubts is there, please ask me in my individual WhatsApp account. In that, I'll discuss with first question number 42. So I'll write here from question number 41 to 51. You please try to solve it. And whatever the previous questions you have also, you please update me how much extent you are solved. In question number 42, if the critical angle for the internal reflection from a media to vacuum, I repeat, vacuum instance with respect to air, you can say take, is 30 degree, then the velocity of light in the medium is, see they given in the question number 2, critical angle, see symbolically you can write as IC or you can take as C also, that is 30 degree, and they are asking what is the velocity of light in the particular medium. You know the relation with respect to air in the sense you can take it as N is equal to 1 by sin C, or you can say 1 by sin I suffix C. Here critical angle is 30 degree. You know refractive index, that is with respect to denser medium, they are asking in this medium what is the velocity. In absolute refractive index, I have discussed in the previous sessions, N is equal to C by V. Now by substituting so, what will get? See this is refractive index of the medium and this is a velocity of the light in the particular medium with respect to air. Now substituting here, what will get? N is equal to 1 divided by, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So substituting here, it becomes 2. In sense, 1 divided by 1 by 2 becomes 2. Now from this, N is equal to C by V, that is equal to 2. By substituting this condition, from this velocity of the light is equal to C by 2. What is C? Is the velocity of light in vacuum. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by 2. The answer will be 1.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So as per the given options, the answer will be B. So this is how we can use the formula in order to calculate the either velocity of the light in the particular medium, or you can say by giving these details you can calculate the refractive index, or by giving these details you are also able to calculate the critical angle. So if you go with the reverse trend, think the problem is given in such way. The velocity of light in a given medium is, let's say so and so, about 2.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, let's say. And what is the critical angle for that medium with respect to vacuum? If the question is asking, please go in the reverse trend. Substitute the velocity of light in the particular medium in this formula. You will get the refractive index. And substituting the refractive index in this constant formula, you will get the critical angle. So this is how about the question number 42. And even 41 also they ask in an easy way. Which of the following is used in optical fibers? Since the application is not discussed, I am unable to discuss that question. Next, question number 43. Critical angle of the glass is theta 1 and that of water is theta 2. The critical angle for the water and glass surface would be, the options is given very differently, that I will discuss later. But let me discuss with the, first of all, the question. So first they given glass critical angle as theta 1 and water critical angle as theta 2. And they are asking the critical angle for the water and glass surface would be. So here it's very clear that refractive index of the glass is 1.5 and water is 1.33. Now from this, which is rarer medium? You tell me, water. And which is denser medium? Glass. So in order to get the critical angle condition, the ray must travel from denser to rarer as per the condition. So the ray must be travel from glass to water. Now from this it is very clear that since the refractive index of the glass is greater than the refractive index of water, then automatically the respective critical angles will get reversed, because you know this formula, N is equal to 1 by sin C. See here theta 1 and theta 2, what they given as critical angles. Since the refractive index glass and water, if you take, it's greater than, and respective critical angles becomes less than, because reciprocal. Now with respect to glass versus water, if you take Ng by Nw, I'm sorry, denser medium, right? So write it as Nw by Ng, that is equal to sin I by sin R. Means angle of incidence is in glass, angle of refraction is in water. By substituting so, take the sin R as 1 because you are dealing with the critical angle. R will be 90, and then let's take this angle as theta, and this is what, 90. Now what will happen is theta is equal to sin 90 is being 1, theta is equal to sin inverse of Nw by Ng. Now you tell me here the ratio. See, ratio is what is getting Nw by Ng, right? Now with respect to glass versus water, I've written as water versus glass. If you take glass versus water, you will get different answer. First let me discuss with this. Now since Nw is less, Ng is more, the fraction value will be less than 1. Since the sign values are less, theta also will be less. If you take with glass versus water, then theta will be large. Since the question is asked glass versus water, theta being large means the ratio is always more than the theta 1 and theta 2. If you take this as 1.5 by 1.3, you calculate, you will get the theta value much more than this. As per this, the options given as between theta 1 and theta 2, greater than theta 2, less than theta 1 and less than theta 2. See here always theta 2 is more. Since theta you will get here more than theta 2, then the option suitable will be, I think, B. You please check out with that. Then coming with the question number 44. They given one triangle shaped glass slab, and they are telling that a ray of light incident normally on the prism. So this is prism immersed in a liquid as shown in the figure. The largest value of the alpha, so that light ray get totally reflected from face AC is 30 degree, then the refract index of the given liquid. See, here the given is alpha. This is the face given as A, B and C. And in this phase the light ray is getting incident normal. And here you can find one more normal here in this phase because the actual reflection takes place here. And the light ray will get reflected like this. If this is alpha, this is also alpha, and this will be critical angle. Now, if this critical angle, see here, if they given alpha, then you can calculate the critical angle. See, this angle total is 90. Now, from this, what you can write is alpha plus C is equal to 90, then C will be equal to 60, since alpha given as 30. Now, from this, since the reflection, this TIR taking place between glass as well as water, then you can take the formula. What? Where the incident angle is available? In the glass. Where the refraction angle is taking place? In the liquid. So you can take it as using this formula. N1 by N2, that is equal to sin I by sin R. No need to get confused. Here N1, where the refraction is available in the liquid. So you can take it as refraction of the refract index of the liquid divided by refract index of the glass, that is equal to sin C by sin R. Since the maximum possible angle means that takes place at critical angle only, that is a condition. Then sin R will be 1, since R is equal to 90. Then from this, the formula can read it as sin C, that is equal to refract index of liquid divided by refract index of the glass. From this, refract index of the liquid is equal to sin C times of refract index of the glass, cross multiplication. What is refract index of the glass? Is 3 by 2. What is sin C? 60, right? What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So from this, what will get is 3 root 3 by 4. So the possible answer will get is B. So like that, some other questions are also available. You please work on it. And one more problem is available, that also I discussed. See, they will give one water tank. In the question number 45, I think. If a fish is available if it looks the outer world, it looks to be in the circle in shape. Means for the fish inside, the outer world looks like a circle in shape. Then this is the possible area through which the fish which is at the bottom of the tank can see the outer world. They'll give the depth of the tank and they'll ask what is the radius of the circle through which the fish can see the outer world. See, this is purely based on grazing phenomena. Means a light ray from the fish, means a light ray will denser medium to rarer medium, the condition is supposed to take here. There is a water in air, so the light ray will grazes. When it grazes, you can find the surface phenomena. Then the angle of incidence here will be critical angle. They'll give the depth, means you will get the adjacent side. You know the angle, and this will be hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side. So use the formula sin C. What is sin C? Sin C is opposite by hypotenuse. Understood? Then to get the opposite side, you are supposed to calculate the hypotenuse, but you know the depth. Then using the formula tan C, what is tan C will give? Opposite by base. What is opposite is R. Base is what? Depth. R by D. You know the critical angle and you know the depth. By substituting that, you can get the radius. Then this formula can be used to calculate the critical angle, because they will give water. Water refractive is how much? 1.33. Substitute here, you will get sin C. Substitute that sin C in this, means C value, and by substituting the depth, you will get the R value. That is a required answer. That is available in question number 45, as well as some other questions are given. Same like, you please try to solve from question number 41 to 51, and some questions are given here, solutions, and the solutions are available. My sincere request not to watch the solutions and please try to solve. If not understood, you see the solution, still you have doubts, please ask. So hope you understood these concepts. Thank you for that.